Welcome all the students who are interested to get information about CLAT examination or CLAT examination, which is the examination for the career in law and for UG level law career. CLAT examination, the long form is Common Law Admission Test. Purpose of the examination is entrance to national law universities, self-financed law colleges and public sector undertakings. The admissions are given on the basis of CLAT score for LLB course, that is UG course in law. Eligibility for CLAT examination, that is to appear for this examination, the eligibility in terms of marks, it is 45% in 12th standard, and the percentage relaxation is there for SC/ST category, it is 40% in 12th standard. Upper age limit, there is upper age limit of 20 years for general, and for categories it is 22 years. Now it's very good that there is no restriction on number of attempts, but the age restriction is there. Medium of exam is in English, that is the language is English. Frequency of this examination every year, it is only once in a year. You can apply for this examination by online way, and the website is given in the slide. https consortium of nlus.ac.in. Mode of examination is offline, that is pen and paper, and CLAT examination is in this way, it is the pathway or it is the gateway for the law career. Let's talk about the duration of examination and structure. Exam is of 2 hours duration. Number of questions are 150, total 150 questions. Every for negative answer, it is 1/4 is the cutting, that is -1/4. This validity of the score is only for 1 year, because again every year we are having the new examination. Subjects and question and percentage weightage. In this CLAT examination, the English language questions are around 28 to 30. Current affairs including general knowledge, the questions are around 35 to 39. Legal reasoning 35 to 39. Logical reasoning 28 to 32. Quantitative techniques, it is 13 to 17. Total 150 questions and 150 marks. So this was about the CLAT examination. All the best to all the students who are interested in CLAT examination. Thank you.